Hello, and welcome to an in-depth weather video. If you like this video, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get notifications whenever I post a video. Now, let's go in depth. Here we are on the National Weather Service site. We're on the radar, and I just want to mainly focus on this portion here. If you want to see more about the remnants of Tropical Storm Berta, I'm going to link to my video on that I posted early yesterday morning when it was making landfall. But we do have this cutoff low yet again right here. And that is fueling a lot of thunderstorms coming up in the Texas region. So the areas down here right now, earlier there was a bunch of thunderstorms in this region of eastern Texas. Houston, there was a tornado warning just north of Houston, but then the storm dissipated, so kinda had a sticky situation there for a moment, but we solved it. Now, we do also have some thunderstorms up here in Minnesota, Wisconsin area. Then we have some more showers here. That's kind of part of another storm system. Then, of course, we have just the wet side. Now, earlier today was supposed to be the SpaceX launch. That got scrubbed because of some showers and thunderstorms in Florida. Normal Florida weather for the summer months. Now, here we are in a 3-kilometer model. Just want to flick through. Obviously, you have Berta, but then you also have this cutoff low, more thunderstorms, and as this cutoff low continues to move east, the thunderstorms will as well. So, and then, of course, you have both storms coming together, and then some showers in the northeast on, well, today into Friday, and then some more showers up. Don't want a sounding. Then some more showers in the northeast Friday night into Saturday morning. And then there's some snow in there too, in Canada. So, and then we also have this storm system moving onto the coast of California. And that's basically it, other than just want to take a brief look at the Eastern Pacific. They're giving this right here a 70% chance of forming, and it does seem like it's going to form. So we will see our first Pacific hurricane of the year, and that will dissipate, move over the Yucatan, and I think that we might have another Atlantic storm here. And then it kind of reforms. Now, there's a very fine line between a storm reforming after it dissipates and naming an entire new storm. Most of the time, if it's the same low pressure, you just rename it. So you would have, like, I think there was an example in 2017. It was like Tropical Storm Lee, and then Tropical Storm Lee 2. So I don't want to get too deep into it, but it does seem like we are going to have at least a tropical storm, maybe even a hurricane here in the Pacific. Now, if the GFS is right, it'll be stronger after it makes landfall the first time and dissipates, and then make landfall a second time. So, now, speaking of that North Atlantic storm, as you can see, forms down here in the Caribbean. You're kind of thinking that was going to happen. Then it kind of moves north slowly, gaining some strength, moves makes landfall in Cuba, and then moves into the Atlantic Ocean. Now, that seems pretty strong, and especially since this is now June 12th, a very early season storm. Technically, hurricane season hasn't even started yet. And now I do want to look at the 850. That's pretty strong. So, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But right now it is showing that something will develop soon.